guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. So today I wanted to do a end of the summer glow up tutorial with you. I've been getting so many compliments. Thank you guys so very much for recognizing my little glow that I've been having this summer. Anyways, I wanted to share, and I thought I would do. I had a few requests, so why not? And so here we go. Nice glowy skin, but it's still breathable. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you do, don't forget to subscribe. I'm Raquel, and give me a big thumbs up, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Let's go. Oh, I literally just washed my face. This is my natural face. This is what I look like without any makeup, without any brows, not even lip gloss. Now, lately, for the last couple weeks or so, I've gotten this new little brush by Anastasia in the dip pomades in chocolate. Start out with the brows. I'm gonna just comb it through. I'm letting them grow out because they were a little bit uneven. So when they go through this transition, they just look crazy and unmanageable. I put it on my brush, right? But I don't want to be too heavy with it, so I'll take the top and I'll just tap the in here like that, so I can take some of it off. This stuff, you definitely have to be a little light-handed because you can put way too much. MAC NC42. I just put a little bit on the back of my palm, and then I'm using a angled brush. This is also a MAC 268. Okay, so this is all I wear. As you see, it says Tinted Moisturizer by Laura Mercier, and my color is caramel or caramel. So I just put it directly on my face. Use my finger and okay, so you can see I already have a pretty nice glow. This Becca, I think it's a new release. I don't know, I just discovered it, but I've been absolutely loving it. It's the Liquid Skin Perfector. Liquid Skin Perfector. Say that 3 times. Again, this is Champagne Pop. Here is the liquid highlight. So as you can see, my glow, that's been my new addition to having beautiful glowy skin lately. This Becca. This is what I've been using as here. To have my skin glowing, a little contour or whatever not going on. I've been using this stick foundation as makeup base for my eyelids. All right, so I just take it, literally just take the stick and just wipe it on my lids just like this, and then I just take my finger and smooth it out. Too Faced, only because I like the two colors in here. The skin tone color is mousse. As you see, it is completely out of there. It's gone. Now that I have it on there, I just go in, put it all, even under my brow, I put it under here. Put it over my whole eyelid. In with this like brownier color, which is called Peanut Butter. Love, love, love those two colors. And then I'll just go right here in my little crease, circular motions, and go one. I tap it here first and then disperse the rest. So this is how it's looking thus far. I'm loving it. Nice naturalness. And now this is where the fun part comes in. Rose Gold palette. which is this one. And here is these colors. Pretty one. This is an inexpensive, maybe you guys can find it at like the beauty supply. Beauty Creations, it's Tease Me, it's the palette. And these have some really good payoff. So pretty similar. And actually, this Tease Me, this one right here, I've been really liking some of the colors, and they do really well with your fingers as well. So the Sexy is like a gold. I've been using like in my inner corner, this one. So I've been loving this. But nonetheless, I'm gonna go ahead and I'm gonna alternate in between the two of these palettes since they're right here. I'm gonna take my favorite little color, Trust Fund, and put it right here in the center of my eye. And use MAC pigment. It's called Naked. It's like so natural and a nice color. I think a lot of people can pull this color off. So I just go ahead and dip my brush directly into the pigment, tap some of the excess off, and I place it here, my inner corner. I just tap it in right now. I'm not worrying about anything else but just getting it placed. And then my little secret I've been doing right here, I just like that extra little, when I brush it away, you see how it gives that nice pretty glow like that? I love it, dude. Okay, so that's my lashes. My eye is red because it was a little irritated, but this is my lash with just mascara on. You can definitely just run out the door without that, but I just like the extra dramaticness of the, I use the Ardell Natural Lash is what I'm gonna put on, and they are really like a nice, so that's the lash I'm gonna go ahead and put on. What I'm gonna do now is go ahead and start adding my, I still like to add my highlight. So I'm using the Anne Breezy highlight by Anastasia, but I just tap it just a little bit on top, just like that. So I'm really like putting it under my glitter liners. Like this is me. This is me. I've been wearing glitter liners forever. So Glam Rock is what I've been rocking non-stop all summer. But now I just picked up Gold Mind, and so I'm gonna mix the two. Just put this on and then just put a little bit of the gold throughout. Right here. I don't know if it's because my eye shape is like that, but it just feels like this little spot is like a little extra for me. Like it makes a difference for my particular eye shape. A little peanut butter color right under here. I normally do, but since I'm doing a tutorial, I thought I'll just go a little bit extra. By Becca, it's called Flower Child. It's a nice like pinky blush. Now this is a very pigmented blush, so you don't need a lot. Look, That is a dab, a dab. For my skin tone or whatever, I don't need that much blush because I'll be looking like a little porcelain doll. Oh well, I'll just add some highlight. I'm gonna go ahead. This is not the lip stuff that I wanted to put on, but this is what's right here. It's by MAC. For this, I don't use a liner or anything. But it is like a duochrome, so I like it. So I've been wearing this pretty much a lot this summer as well. This is pretty much, look at that glow. The eyes are nice and simple. Yeah, so this is where we can stop at. But I'm just gonna add just a little bit more over here. Give me some more glow. I don't really use this too often, but I should. It's a translucent powder by Laura Mercier, okay? And then this Cover FX in Unicorn, I believe is the name. It's some glitter gloss. And then I use my Reflex Pearl by MAC, like this. I put about 4 little drops. Use my finger, and it has like another duochrome mixed in with. See that? Now this is if I'm gonna be out in the sun and all that stuff, and I just want that extra little glow. But I don't put this on every day. Okay, and then I go in with my Reflex by MAC. So when I'm in the sun, no matter which way I move, you can see the glowiness. So just go right here. I'm just taking it ever so slightly on my brush and add it in right here. I love it. I love it. I love it. It looks so pretty. So pretty. Highlight this Guerlain, the glitter liner, the tinted moisturizer, the Naked Pigments, and then whatever gloss or lipstick of your choice. This will look even good with red lipstick as well.